Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making balti mutton karahi. In a hot pot, add 4 tablespoons of oil and then add 1 medium onion finely chopped. Fry for a minute and then add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 4 green chilies and cook again for 1 minute. Now add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of whole spices powder, half teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and half cup of mutton stock. Cook again until stock dry. Now add half kg boiled mutton. Now cook for 1 minute. Now add half cup of yogurt and cook. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes until oil separates. Now you can see oil separate from the gravy. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of fenugreek leaves, 3 green chilies. Cook half a minute. Now I am adding half cup of cream on low flame and cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute, cook on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see yummy balti mutton is ready. Take out from the wok. Now you can see mutton balti is ready to eat. Now garnish with ginger slice. Now serve with naan and chapati. Please like and share the video and tell me how it is. Love it and eat it. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.